Okay, so what I got here right now with me is the Ricoh GR3 HDF. Now, if you're thinking about what HDF means, well, I'm putting out a review of this camera at the same time, so you can go check that out, and I'm gonna explain that in a little bit more detail. But this is a highlight diffusion filter camera. It has a highlight diffusion filter built into it, so it blooms out some of the highlights. It gives a soft look to the image, and well, it looks kind of cinematic and vintage, so it's kind of great. Now, the problem with me using this camera right here is that the lens is an 18.3mm lens, and on an APS-C sensor that's about 28mm. So what that means is that it is pretty wide, and if you want to take pictures of people walking around the streets, you gotta get pretty close to them, and that's something that I'm not personally really comfortable with. And after getting used to the 35mm that the X100V has, it is a big change. Now, I got this camera on loan from Focus Nordic, and I get to use it for a couple of days about, and I'm just gonna take some shots, you know, about anything that comes to mind, just to test it out. And I did test it out already last night. I was pretty tired after my night shift, so I didn't really take that much shots, but I will show them to you at the end of this video. Just trying to get some shots of some shadows and highlights and see how they turn out with this camera. Head back down. Now, last night or evening, when I was taking some pictures of the sunset and some light bulbs and stuff like that, you can actually see the HDF's shine on this camera. It works pretty well. Sometimes it works a little bit, how would I say it, funny, because it looks like you've been painting some highlights onto your photo. It doesn't soften always the picture as much as I would want it to, like with a black mist or maybe a cinebloom. So there's that, but still it feels kind of nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. My forehead is starting to hurt because of the GoPro, so I'm gonna head back to the car, edit this video, and well, yeah, if you liked it, remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.